Hello guys, and welcome back. Today we'll see how much the health insurance costs in USA. The average cost of health insurance in the USA varies significantly depending on factors like age, location, employer size, and the specific plan type. Based on recent data, for individual, the average annual cost is around $7,739,000. Around $7,739, or approximately $645 per month. For a family, the average annual cost is about $22,221, or roughly $101,852 per month. These costs reflect premiums for employer-sponsored health insurance, where employers typically cover about 75% of the premium, leaving employees with the remaining 25%. Additional out-of-pocket costs, such as deductibles, are also common. 83% of the covered workers face a general annual deductible, with the average deductible being $1,644 for individuals. These costs are typically higher for employees at small firms. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.